Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah, Jamaica. Madam, Mama,
Yeah,
happy.
I'm happy.
You are happy.
Yeah.
You are ever happy.
Yeah, okay.
So guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Works for those who are new here. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe. For the 10 subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful girl. I don't take you for granted. And guys, I'm back in the street like I never left. You know guys, Team Claudia, we love you, we love you, we love you so much, and we love visitors. So if you come across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this beautiful girl, road to 5,000 subscribers. And guess what? Today I'm going to interact with the people. As always, this lady is calling me, Mama, I'm coming. Nakuja. I don't know what she's calling me, but anyway, these streets are so vibe. You know what? Say hi, there. Just say hi.
Hi.
How are you? You are who? Hey. He is Patrick. What do you normally do here in Isili? I'm trying to translate, guys. He is a border guy. Which country do you love in Caribbean countries? America. In Caribbean we have Jamaica. Jamaica. Mbona napenda Jamaica? I'm trying to ask him why he loves Jamaica. Why do you love Jamaica? This guy is so happy. I want to know. Sawa. So guys, let me go. Hi, Mommy.
Hi to you.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, do you know Caribbean countries?
No.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Unajua Jamaica?
Usikia tu.
Unasikianga?
Sijaenda.
Unaweza tamani kwenda siku moja?
Sana.
Unasikianga kuna nini huko? Guys, he loves Jamaica. I'm trying to ask why she loves Jamaica. Lakini unajua song moja? Unajua song moja?
Ya Jamaica.
Yeah, ya Jamaica. Mama,
Yeah,
happy.
I'm happy.
You are happy.
Yeah.
You are ever happy.
Yeah, okay.
Unaweza ambia mafanzi wangu nini pale?
Kuambia huyu msichana ako sawa kabisa.
Yeah.
Na dabamba.
Na
Yeah,
bamba.
kabisa. Na ako na roho mzuri sana.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, he's trying to say that I'm beautiful, I'm a vibe, I am a good art. Don't you know what?
Kabisa.
I'm happy.
Kabisa.
Pale kwa YouTube naitwa Claudia Works.
Okay, uko poa.
Niko poa.
Yeah, uko gangari.
Niko gangari. Wacha nipige maraundi mami nakuja. Sasa. Nawaambia mafanzi wangu kitu.
Nawasalimia sana. Na unafanya kazi nzuri.
And you are so beautiful.
And you.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know Jamaica?
Yeah, I don't know Jamaica.
Which country do you know in Caribbean country if you know Jamaica?
Kuna sijai toka Kenya.
Mimi nitakupeleka.
Lakini natamani kuenda.
Unatamani kwenda? Nitakupeleka. Sawa. Wacha nitakutafuta. Sawa. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Mommy, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Oh, Bibi bro. Say hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, good. Hey, nobody smile.
That's beauty.
Okay, guys, can I sit here? Today I'm going to sit here. Today I'm interacting with everybody here in the street, guys. So I'm glad I work for YouTube. Which country do you love in Caribbean countries? Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, Barbados. Jamaica, guys. I don't know why Jamaica is so famous in this street. What makes you love Jamaica?
Sweet.
Weed. Weed. I know Jamaica has got that freedom of smoking weed. Does your country have that freedom? No, we don't have freedom here in Kenya, Africa. Okay, what else makes you love Jamaica? This is so crazy. Jamaica is known, here in Africa, Jamaica is known of weed and beautiful ladies. What else do you know about Jamaica? Nini ingine? Tuambie kitu ingine. Hey bro, vipi? Vipi? Unaitwa nani?
Just us.
Okay, waambie wa subscribe. Subscribe. Okay, we are back to you. What else makes you love Jamaica? Beaches. Oh, do you want to visit Jamaica? Oh, have you been to Jamaica or you just want to visit? You just want to know to go to Jamaica. It's like, even though Jamaica have beautiful beaches, maybe you have seen them. A lot of interruption here in East Vegas, you know, the streets are so busy. Anyway, if you're watching, so if you're watching from Jamaica, I know I've got that. Naitwa Claudia Works. Instagram Claudia Works. Kila mahali Claudia Works. Nataka wewe.
Mimi niko na mtu mimi.
Naweza kuwa pia mtu.
Mimi nataka nini mpango wa kadi? Unataka?
Naweza kuwa mpango wa kadi. Anyway, guys, people here love Jamaica because of the freedom, the wind, the beaches. That is from this guy. Your name? Joffrey, from Joffrey. So guys, if you're watching from Jamaica, hey, we love you, we love you, we love you so much. And if you're watching from Jamaica,
also greeting you.
oh,
Yeah, I'm Somali boy.
you are Somali guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need a Mkamba woman, a Mkamba girl.
You are Mkamba girl.
Nataka Mkamba. Then Mkamba Musamba.
Oh, you want a Mkamba girl from here in Kenya?
Yes.
You know Jamaica?
Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica is a country called Jamaica. It's a part of Africa.
Part of Africa?
Yeah.
What do you normally know? What
Jamaica.
Yes.
Jamaica, normally.
Sorry guys, there is a lot of interruption here.
Yeah, Jamaica is people, they behave in a good, they are good people. The way I have never seen, but the way I had, they were okay. I cannot say more than that.
What makes you love Jamaica?
Jamaica. Jamaica is a great place. I love so much, and I will come inshallah soon.
Oh, inshallah, you will come to Jamaica.
Yeah, guys, welcome. We are in Kenya, we're in Italy,
Africa.
We're in Africa. We are doing our business. Nikonga Kiswahili tunafanya biashara.
A lot of businesses.
Mimi lakini Kiarabu, ninajua Kiswahili na English tu pekee yake.
Waongeleshe, waambie mafansi wangu.
Na salabia tu.
Waongeleshe Kisomali.
Kisomali. Wa ma fiicantihiin anaga waa fiicannahay. Dad waxaan nahay becsharada ka shaqeysli. Becsharada noo kala socota. Alhamdulillah, our business is good. Yeah, welcome.
Welcome to Kenya,
Welcome
Africa.
to Kenya, especially place you can get of Somali.
Yeah. Sawa, I'm Claudia Works. Oh, bro, Pipi.
Yeah,
You look good. Hey, you look good, Maze.
So before I start, anything else, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Are you a single marriage?
That's so crazy. The first
I
question.
like to ask you this question. So answer for me. Are you a single or married?
Oh, guys, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm so ready to
What do
have a
you think?
relationship with you.
Oh, you are so ready.
Yeah. So tell me,
What makes you have a relationship with me?
because I found for you. I found you.
You.
That's why you're so beautiful.
You're
You're
so
so gorgeous.
beautiful. Oh, thank you. Come here, ask your question. Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hey, thank you so much.
Bye-bye. Welcome to Isili.
Yo, welcome to Isili, Kenya, Africa. Wow. Guys, this is the beauty of coming to these streets. Hey, if you have not been here, guys, you need to come here. I'm telling you. These are the most serious streets. There are so many ladies over there. We have some beautiful girls. Yeah, baby friend.
Good, my friend.
Oh, I'm okay. What's your name? I can see you are selling water. Can you? I think, guys, I have to promote you. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Oh, this is too cold. How much?
30.
Okay. So, guys, I'm getting some water here. Oh, YouTube, Claudia Walks. Yes. So guys, this is the beauty of Isili market. Not like market, but now it looks like a market. You can see. Hey, mommy. You look so beautiful. Ooh, say hi to my fans. She has a nice voice. I don't know whether my microphone or my whatever is okay, but you can hear. Hey. Isli is so beautiful, guys. You can see beautiful malls.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so guys, I had to get some water here. You know, it's hot here in Kenya, Africa. Yeah. So let's keep on walking. Let's keep on walking. Yes, interacting. Hey. YouTube. Yeah. Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Yeah. Oh, hi. Online. This guy wants to be seen online. Wasalimia mafansi wangu.
Mafansi kama nani sasa?
And this is for YouTube. So I have many followers. My true fans here. Say something.
Hi.
So you want to be seen online, but you don't want to talk to my fans. It's so crazy, man. Okay, thank you.
Kasi kwa hapa mashallah kila maana anafanya kazi sawa
Uko fiti.
lakini kiasi sio kazi mingi sana.
Wasalimia na Kisomali.
Somali.
But guys, so let's keep on working as we interact with more people. Here I'm getting much love support here. I'm getting a lot of support here, massive love from here in Isli, Kenya, Africa. And I just noticed that so many people love Jamaica. That's the only country which is known here in Kenya, Africa. And as we keep on working, we will learn and we get to know about these streets. Okay. So guys, yes, how are you?
I'm good.
You are who?
I'm Joshua.
You are Joshua?
Yeah.
Do you know a country known as Jamaica?
Yeah.
What?
I know it.
You know it?
Yeah.
Okay, what have you heard about Jamaica?
Ah?
Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? I'm
Jamaica.
trying to ask him what he knows about Jamaica.
Jamaica, I know is the reggae singer.
A reggae singer, reggae singer.
Very good country. Yeah.
Okay. About reggae, can you sing for one reggae song? Come sing for us. No, this guy wants to be seen on camera. He knows about reggae music, but he doesn't want to sing for us. I don't know why, but let's keep on working, guys. Maybe he has his own reason why he's not. Ni Claudia Walks. Ni Claudia Walks YouTube. Yeah. So you have seen. They are calling me. They don't want to appear on camera. They are like, hey madam, what are you doing? Man. Hi. So let's keep on working. Jamaica, you are winning, you are winning, you are winning Jamaica. My true fans from Jamaica, this is for you. Africa, most of Kenya. Hey, you are good. Thank you. Wow. Umekataa kutuimbia song moja?
Ningewambia sasa, nikiwambia kuna malipo kweli.
Watasikia vizuri, imagine. They will feel good.
Benefit yangu iko wapi sasa? Nita benefit aje?
Sisi hatu benefit hapa. Tuko tu tuna make fun. Utakiona kwa kamera.
Siwezi.
That guy does it one thing for us. Anyway. So guys, I don't know. Oh, look at that place. So congested. I don't know whether you can see. This is silly, guys. You know, I have connection with Isli people. They are so supportive. They are so loving. I don't know why. Yeah. Actually, nowadays, what I noticed is that in this street, this beautiful street I'm walking in, like people know about social media. I'm not getting those harassments on the street, you know. I've been to many streets here in Sili, but guys, sorry for that. Ooh, the what now? You know, these streets are not safe at all. So far, today I've been into one street, like, and the reception is so good. People are so loving. They know more about social media. They know YouTube. Yeah, that's why I'm feeling good. That's why I'm safe. And since I started this video, someone approached me in Garadin me that the streets are so safe. And it's true. I think Garadin me that the streets are so safe. Oh, Tawa. I come. Oh, that guy is calling me, but anyway, I'll go later. So guys, make sure you subscribe to Claudia Walks YouTube channel. Honestly guys, 80% of you are watching my videos and they are not subscribing. I don't know why. But support this beautiful girl to 5,000 subscribers. So guys, I want to go on the other side. I want to go on that side. And I don't know whether it's another street actually, and I don't know whether it's so safe because it's so congested. People are doing business there. A lot of traffic jam. But I think I should try. Hi. You bring it out. Oh, this guy wants to be seen on my YouTube channel. So why not? This is the love I'm getting here. Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
You are who?
Yeah?
You are who?
My name is
Eh.
Thomas.
Thomas. Okay, what do you normally do here in Sili?
Use the sunglasses.
Oh, you sell sunglasses and they are so beautiful, eh? Okay, do you know more about Caribbean countries?
No, I'm not understanding this one.
Oh, unajua Caribbean countries?
Yes.
Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago, Barbados.
Najua Jamaica.
Oh, you know Jamaica. Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? Guys, I'm trying to ask him what he knows about Jamaica.
Uko Jamaica?
Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Unaenda kununua huko? Kuna vitu naenda kununua kwa Jamaica.
Oh, kuna vitu mnanunuanga huko. Kama nini?
Vyenye na uchanga, kuna yenye na uchanga huko kwa pia.
He's trying to say that they import some items from Jamaica. Now we want to know what kind of items they import from Jamaica. Ama ni weed? Ama ni weed mna importingi? Mna importingi?
Na vitangu hiyo huko.
Okay, weed iko na pesa?
Kuna kuanga na pesa wakati kama December hivi.
Okay, apart from weed, nini ingine unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Hakuna ingine.
Hakuna ingine? Ambia mafansi wangu kitu.
Hata nawasalimia kabisa.
Team Claudia, he says he just want to greet you. Nini ingine? Hakuna ingine? Waambie wa subscribe. Wambie wa subscribe. Wa subscribe to Claudia Works. Okay guys, that is it for today. I know you have enjoyed the video. Kindly, if you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Take me to 5,000 subscribers, and if guys you are watching without subscribing, it's free. Make sure you subscribe, give me that support. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi mommy. Yeah, good.
From where you are cutting up here?
Can I join? Yeah, you can join. Guys, as I was editing my video, let's go ahead here. I met this beautiful Somali lady. Oh, come. Say something. I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Eh?
Hello guys, I'm in Nairobi, I'm Somali. I'm Somali Ogaden. My name is Zueira.
So thank you so much guys, that is it from her, and she is so beautiful. She has courage to, she's just requested me to be seen on my videos, and guys I'm so grateful. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.